Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install my wigs. This is my cousin. Her birthday is the other day, so say happy birthday to her in the comment section. But yeah, I'll be doing her here today, and I'll be using the Erica J Hold Me Down for this entire installation. This is my favorite glue of all time, so yeah, I'll be using it today. So right now I'm just putting it onto the stocking cap just to secure the stocking cap, because you know she did that, so I'm gonna do it too. And then I'll be using my popsicle stick just to spread out the glue. And then after I use that, I'm gonna go into my bedhead hard head spray and spray the stocking cap just for a secure and extra hold for the stocking cap. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just spread that in and then spray it here with the bedhead hardhead spray. So after it's completely dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off with my scissors, and I'm going to go follow her natural hairline because she has a dip. So I'm just going ahead and do that and then cut everything off. Then I'll be using the Ruby Kisses in level 14, I think. This was a little tad bit darker than her, not a lot darker. And the reason why I do it is because I realized when I put her natural foundation onto the stocking cap and also onto the wig, it kind of still give it a white cast. I don't know, but I'm just trying to do something different, okay? So I'm putting a little bit darker, maybe like one shade darker than her, onto the stocking cap. Then I'm going to go in with my 91% alcohol and wipe off her forehead, because you have to do that before you put your wig on, because it will lift eventually. So make sure you clean your forehead off. So this is the wig, guys. I did custom made it. This is a platinum blonde, and this is the 360 wig. This is not this 360 wig platinum blonde is not up on my website. This is my first time testing it out, so it will be up and it will be in the platinum blonde collection, so stay tuned for that. But what I'm doing right now is putting her foundation onto the stocking cap, not stocking cap, I'm putting her foundation into the wig. And this foundation is from MAC. They match her, so this is her exact shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it right onto the wig to make sure it blends properly. So now I'm going to go ahead and test the wig out onto her head, and it fit her like a glove. If it was a little bit smaller, it would not fit her head. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys how it looked. And as you can see, that the foundation that I put onto the wig matches her to the T. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that it fits properly, and then cut the lace off at the back. Yeah. And also, I was not in my makeup studio. You know, it's a different vibes. It's a different look on my video. So if it looked kind of weird, like, you know, I couldn't see, by the way, because I didn't have my monitor, so I couldn't see not one shit. So sorry about that if my, you know, video looked kind of weird. But I like to see myself, and I wasn't home. I wasn't in my makeup studio, so you know, I just do what I do. because I want to give you guys, you know, content. So I went ahead and I cut the wig off, the lace off at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on again on her head and make sure that both sides fit properly before I start to glue it down. And I will be doing a different angle, so this angle won't be, you know, the same throughout the video. I will be doing a different angle. So I just put a little bit of, you know, foundation onto the lace to make sure that it fully, you know, blend properly. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use that that comb in the back and just push it under her head. So now we're at the front, and then I'm going to go ahead and use 3 layers of the Erica J glue, and I'm only going to show you one, but I will be using 3. And you got to make sure that it's completely clear, and then put your lace on onto the glue. So yeah, I'm only doing 3 layers. So after the 3rd layer is done and it's clear, I'm going to go ahead and put the lace onto the glue, and I'm going to do it a little bit above the glue just to make sure that, you know, no glue shows. And then I'm going to go ahead and let her hold it and just kind of use my hand and kind of swish it in just to make sure that the glue stick properly onto the lace. And, you know, just put it on. Take your time and just put it on. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my blow dryer on heat and make sure that everything blends properly. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use my elastic band, and just to make sure that everything is secure and melt right into her skin before I start to cut the lace off. And I let the elastic band sit on her head for 15 minutes. You know, guys, you got to do the shit. It's hard, but you can do it. So yeah, I let it sit for 15 minutes and then I'm going to take it off afterwards. So now that the 15 minutes is up, I'm going to go ahead and take the elastic band off. And as you can see that it is melted. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hot comb just to comb the flyaways back. I like to do this step now. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hot comb, which I'm still, you know, working out my vendor. It's not fully done, but I will be selling hot comb on my website. So stay tuned for that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and comb the hair back. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off with my razor. And, you know, sorry guys, the angle was horrible, but you guys understand I was not home and all of that stuff. So yeah, all I'm doing is just cutting the lace off, and I'm cutting very, very, very close to the hairline because I don't want to have a lot of lace. Right now you can see white cast shadow, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix that. As you can see in the intro, it will be looking good, so don't worry about that part. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut the lace off. So I'm going to go back at the side, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some more glue right at the side because it was lifting up a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it's completely dry, and then put the lace right on top of the glue. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some hair off for the baby hair because she loves baby hair. As you guys know, I hate baby hair, but she loves it. So I'm going to give her what she asked for. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out a little bit of hair, not too much, for the baby hair. I'm going to go ahead and tie her hair up, and then I'm going to go ahead and secure it one more time, and this is where the melting process come along. And I'm using the bed head again, and I'm going to go ahead and tie it down with the elastic for 10 minutes, and then, you know, make sure that it's completely melted, and then you will definitely see that lace melt right into her skin. So after 10 minutes is up, I'm going to go ahead and take the elastic band off. And as you can see, that lace, you can see the lace at all. Like, baby girl, what are you doing? Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead one more time and use the hot comb just to make sure that the hair, the little, you know, flyaways are gone and not in the way. And then I'll be doing a half up, half down style because that's what she wanted. So I'm giving it to her. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a hot comb again and just hot comb it all the way back. And to be honest, guys, this hairstyle is very simple. Just, you know, part the hair and make sure that you use some of the lace and cover the tracks in the back. As I said, this is a 360 lace wig. So the lace is all the way around the head, and then the weft is in the middle. So you have a lot of parting space, you know, to give. It's a lot of lace, okay? It's a lot of lace. So just go ahead and put a little bit of section for the cover up of the tracks at the back. And then I'm using my what do you call this again? Oh my god, brain freeze. I'm using my wax stick just to make sure that everything is flat and looking nice. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use the elastic band, tie her hair up in a bun, and then just, you know, wrap it around. Simple and easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the baby hair. I'm going to use the razor again just to cut it off, not too short though, because I want to have a nice, you know, big swoop. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cut it off maybe like 1 inch, and then I'm going to use a I think it's called edge control something. I don't remember the name, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use that and use the edge brush and just kind of sweep it. Guys, you know I can't do baby hair. I just can't. I can't. That's the only thing I can't do. But I'm just gonna go ahead and try to do the baby hair because she wants baby hair. So yeah, but pretty much it did turn out well. The baby hair did turn out well. I could pat myself on the back, but I still need more practice. So you know, I got it. So afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and just curl the back. Simple and easy. I'm not going to do no tight curl. I just want a nice kind of loose curl, but still look good, you know. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my curler. I think I got this from Amazon. It came in like 5 in the set, a medium size, a large size, and a baby size. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I really love this. This is super duper hot. I had it on 450. Like, it's really hot. As you can see, the steam is coming out, but I really love this so much. It's worth the money. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I had it over a year now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just curl it here. Not too crazy of the curl, just, you know, a little bit of wave, and then use my hand and comb it out. And I'm going to use my oil sheen and just spray a little bit of oil sheen onto the hair just to have a little bit of sheen. But I don't like to put a lot of, you know, products onto the hair. I like it to look very kind of mattish, if that's what you want to call it. But yeah, I really love this. This is pretty much the ending. I'm just going to use my hand and just comb it out. And yeah, you're going to see it in natural lighting, but this is really nice. She loves it so much, and the color fit her very well. But yeah, guys, make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this look, this whole entire, you know, video. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. And yeah, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.